Yo, what up? It's ZI Climax, also known as Logic Bolts, and since comp is ending, I'm gonna make it end even worse. Sure. Okay, you see my friend list?
Are you okay?
I restored my whole PlayStation, but yeah, I restored my whole PlayStation, but oh yeah, let me see that friend list.
You know, some people sleepwalk and sleep talk. My mom plays the organ in her sleep. Wake her up. I have to study. No, you can't become a sleepwalker. It's dangerous. She'll be good soon. As long as she doesn't stop singing, we're good.
Alright, but anyway, y'all see that? Right there.
Is her salute to America?
Install package files.
Where are you going? Car, I guess. Gotta find a quiet
I'm turn my install package files off.
Is it over?
Hold on. Oh man. No more install package files. No more friend list. This is showing that I'm getting my mom menu soon. I'm gonna have my patch is already done. I'm about to put it on my PS3 in a minute. Hold on. Install package files again. Friend list again. This video is not edited. I don't even think that's the time right now. Oh yeah, that is the time. The time is it's like 10 o'clock right now. 10, 11. So yeah, that's it. And
I guess Gabe enjoys being the forgotten kid.
Sure sounds like it.
Hey, you know, if we were to
they
forget
say
him, just every now and then,
that I am
would
on.
be good parenting.
you know what?
I'm
I'm
on
going to do my part and forget him this
4.2
And I shall ignore him.
to 4.20.
feels good.
I'm on that
It's so good to do
software.
anything.
It says whether or not to update software shit.
Well,
Yeah,
Duncan,
did
you master the art of smart
no.
dancing in 24 hours?
I'm gonna pay it.
Actually, no.
Oh.
Well, then what are you wearing the cap and gown for? My parents are out there. They really want to see me graduate. So
Whatever has a star next to it, I got
appeal to your sense of mercy and humanity.
pick a patch.